Hello guys, welcome to Civilcraft YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to discuss what is glass and the type of glass used in construction. Glass is an inorganic solid material that is usually found in transparent or translucent form. Sometimes the glass is found in opaque form too. Glass is a hard and brittle material manufactured by fusion process. In the fusion process, the sand is allowed to fuse with lime, soda, and other admixtures as well. Then the mixture of all of these is cooled and quickly as possible. This cooled substance is called as glass. In construction, glass is primarily used for architectural purposes. There are various types of glasses used in construction for different purposes. These types of glasses are as follows: float glass, shatterproof glass, laminated glass, extra clean or self-cleaning glass, chromatic glass, tinted glass, toughened glass, patterned glass, wired glass, glass block, glass wool, and insulated glazed units. Now let's see what is float glass. Float glass is also known as soda lime glass, is manufactured from sodium silicate by controlled cooling. Float glass is a glass having a superior quality of optic clarity. Float glass is available in various thickness sizes ranges from 2 mm to 20 mm respectively. Operations like drilling, cutting, bending, and polishing are possible to be carried out on float glass. Float glass is unable to restrict shock and also known as to have low tension capacity, which is considered as its major drawback. Float glass is used for window glass in shops and public places. Shatterproof glass. Shatterproof glass resists shattering or breaking down into small edged pieces when it is destroyed either naturally or purposely. The non-formation of sharp-edged pieces of glass in shatterproof glass is due to the addition of plastic polyvinyl butyrate during the process of its manufacturing. Shatterproof glass is used for window glasses, floors, and skylights respectively. Laminated glass. Laminated glass is a sandwiched glass consists of two or more layers of glass combined using a transparent and flexible material. Laminated glass is soundproof glass. It is usually thicker and heavier as compared to other type of glasses. It is made up of one or more layer of glass. Laminated glass is widely used for making aquariums and in the construction of bridges. Extra clean glass or self-cleaning glass. Extra clean glass, which is also known as self-cleaning glass, is known for its unique properties. They are photocatalyst and hydrophobic. Now let's see what is photocatalyst. This means the glass contains a kind of nanoparticles which attacks and break down the dirt particles. This makes it easier to clean the glass. Now let's see what is hydrophobic. This means the surface of the glass does not allow water droplets to stay on it. It repels water. Self-cleaning glasses are mostly used or locations where cleaning and maintenance is a bit difficult or where it is difficult to reach. Chromatic glass. Chromatic glass is used in meeting rooms and intensive care units of hospitals. Chromatic glasses can control the daylight and transparency. Chromatic glasses are available in three forms: photochromatic, thermochromatic, and electrochromatic. Now let's see what is tinted glass. Tinted glass is colorized glass which is manufactured by adding some additives in the mixture while manufacturing glass without compromising the properties of glass. The addition of iron oxide to glass gives a green tint to it, while copper sulfate is added to give a blue shade to the glass. Similarly, by adding different additives, different colors are obtained. Toughened glass. Toughened glass, also known as the safety glass or tempered glass, is a specially processed glass which is manufactured while keeping in mind its strength and its ability to restrict breaking. Toughened glass is very tough and does not break easily. By chance, if it breaks into smaller pieces, which eliminates the chance of anyone getting injured due to it. Toughened glass is mostly seen in kitchens, shower screens, etc. Pattern glass. It is a type of flat glass that has been rolled onto one side during its production. Pattern glass has different patterns as well as different colors. It is mainly used for decorative purposes. Wired glass. Wired glass is a special type of glass in which a wired mesh is present in between the structure of glass. This wire mesh is inserted at the time of production of the glass itself. The main objective of wire mesh is to hold the glass together when it is either cracked or broken. This type of glass is generally used in industries and garages. Glass blocks. Glass blocks, which is also known as glass bricks, sometimes are blocks of glass manufactured by combining two halves pressed and annealed during the melting process of glass. This type of glass block is chiefly used to improve the aesthetic appearance of the structure. Glass wool. Glass wool is an insulating material made out of flexible glass fibers intertwined with each other. It is used as a filler in buildings. Glam wool helps to keep out of the heat, and it is also used as a soundproofing material. Insulated glass units. Insulated glass units is a glass made by combining 2 or 3 layers of glasses. These types of glasses are separated by air or vacuum, which helps to resist heat coming out of the glass. It acts as an insulator. Insulated glass units are also known as double glass units. These are the types of commonly used glasses in construction. Please do like and share this video if you find it useful, and subscribe to Civilcraft YouTube channel for more interesting videos on civil engineering and architecture.